Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all well. Here we are, the final bit. We've completed it now. This is the 124th Hasegawa Subaru Legacy RS. This kit started out as being the 1991 RSC rally car, but I've used Studio 27 decals to turn it into Colin Mcrae's Manx rally. Right, made stars on the interior, the holder for the helmets, handbrake and gear change. Now semi-automatic gearboxes back then. As you can see, a rather clogged bench. We've got the seats in with the cloth seat belts. I could have used the photo etch parts, but I couldn't get the ribbon to go through it. I'm still learning that side. There you are, I can see a bit more on the inside now. But using ribbon does give you a more 3D effect than just using transfers. And there we are. Roll cage is in as well, but this roll cage is going to come back to bite me later on, I'm afraid. But I will say this is the first Hasegawa kit I've built and completed. Whilst it's very good, the dimensions are great. There we are, got the dashboard in now. The moulding isn't as crisp as Tamiya. Definitely nowhere on a patch to D model kits or my favourite belkits. Right, that's that bit all done. Steering wheel's in, steering column all in metallic. The inside of the steering wheel and the dashboard is in metallic red. Looks really nice. But guess which idiot didn't take a photo? Right, that's me. Up at 5:35 this morning to get this kit finished. I've been up hours actually, but that's when I got down to business. I'm an ex-lorry driver, so I'm used to early starts. I just can't get out of getting out of bed at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'd only done it for 20 years until I had a serious road traffic accident when some kid went into the front of me doing about 60 miles an hour. Lucky to get out of it alive, I think. But yes, it was a rather cold and dark morning this morning, and that's a picture of one of my dream cars, but it had to be that colour. Vialio Parsafe Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Right, we're on to the lower half of the car now, the chassis. I've got the centre prop in, the rear axle, the front axle, and all the drive shafts. They're all moulded in one piece. There's a few holders as well for the exhaust. Got the uprights in for the suspension for the wheels to go on, and the little steering brace to hold the wheels in line. More of it done, coming together now. And I will be honest, it was a bit of a pig on this model to get that done. Absolutely, I had to tear it apart and restart again. There we are, we've got the front skid guard in. Starting to come together now. That's so they can go over speed bumps and God knows what out stupid speed. Rear suspension's in, rear uprights, and yeah, it's coming together. I have the exhaust's in as well, as you can see. Bit by bloody bit. And now it's the cabin is inserted. It's really starting to take its shape now. Next part is we've got the brake discs on. Inside that is the polycaps that will hold the wheels in. Again, a bit different to the Tamiya models. I wasn't too impressed. It does the job though, but yeah, I do prefer Tamiya. Same on the other side. To be honest, of all the kits I've built so far, the most impressed have been belkits. The way their wheels are retained is spot on. But yeah, it's a good kit. The wheels are on now. It's really starting to look the part. The gold speed lines, which Subaru rally cars are famous for, even though the colour used is BBS gold, a different wheel manufacturer. the front radiator and intercooler, even though inside it's a curbside kit, so there's no engine details apart from underneath the replication of the sump. Onto the other side, the wheels are on there. Really close to the finish now. So it was off to one side. I put the windows into the body, clipped it on, and here we are. That's how she looks finished. I've got to admit, even though it fought me in, it was a bit of a pig in places, I'm quite happy. Just the roll cage seems to be found in the body, so I can't get it to fit properly on the one side, but I'm happy enough with it. Not perfect, but good enough. I'm quite happy with that. Anyway, well done. Hello, hope you enjoyed that video. First Hasegawa kit, bit of a pig to do, to be honest. Definitely not on the skill level of tamiya or belkits, but there we are, done and dusted. A little bit of a nod to Colin Mcrae, one of the rallying heroes for us British rally fans. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please hit the thumbs up button and like it, and if possible subscribe if you're not already, if you like this kind of content. Cheers, and I'll see you in the future. Bye.